And the final setting item for a user is going to be your patient view display. We touched on this in the overview video, however, we'll quickly review it again. We have two types of display views that users can choose from. Tab view, which is this current view where your tabs are at the top, or for users that like to scroll with a mouse and just kind of scroll through the various categories, you can choose list view, and that list view just changes the display of the data for your patient to a scrolling screen. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to stick with the tab view. The next thing you have is the ability to enable columns by check marking enabled. That just tells us to present that to you for selection. Expanded tells us you want that data expanded. When in tab view, you're always going to get an expanded view. However, when in list view, we'll only expand those items that you know you need, and this will help prevent heavy load times for all of your patients. However, when using list view, if you decide not to expand a column and you scroll down and you decide, oh, I need to see their print queue, all you do is click on the header and it will display the print queue for you, and you can take whatever actions are needed. And finally, as you select the various rows, you can determine the order using the move up and move down buttons to determine what you see first. So the first thing you need to look at is to make sure patient photographs and ID cards are up to date and on file, and then intakes are completed, and maybe you're taking in check-in copays. You can set up your workflow to match that requirement for your check-in process. Additionally, unchecking to turn off components that you don't want cleans up the screen and only presents you with what you're asking us to provide you with. At any time, you can update your selections. Again, this is going to be for your check-in, and separately, you would configure your checkout.